Hello and welcome to this 10-minute full body stretch. In this quick session, we will move through simple yoga stretches to help you release tension and improve flexibility. Let's begin standing with feet hip distance apart, parallel to each other. Bend your knees, relax the upper body over the legs, and place your hands to your shins or thighs. Bend and straighten your legs one by one, walking your feet out on spot, gently warming up the back of the legs. Then bend your knees again deeply. Relax belly to thighs, hold the opposite elbows. Let your head, shoulders, neck relax and gently straighten the legs, sending the hips up to the ceiling. Straighten the legs as much as you need to feel the stretch on the back of the legs. Stay still or add a bit of movement, rocking the upper body side to side, or maybe again bending and straightening the legs one by one. Find the movement or stillness that feels good right now in your body. Take one more big breath in. Slow breath out. Release your hands down to the mat, step your feet back and lower the knees down for tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees hip distance apart. Keep your hips stacked over the knees as you drop your elbows down and move your forearms more forward into puppy pose. Release your forehead to the mat. Press your forearms down and relax your chest between the shoulder blades. Continue to breathe deeply into the rib cage. On the inhale, filling up the rib cage with air, and with exhale, melting your heart down towards the floor. Big breath in. Slow breath out. Keep your elbows on the floor and slowly lay down to your belly. For a shoulder stretch and chest opener, move your right arm out to the side, keeping the elbow bent at 90 degrees. Use your left hand for support to roll over to the right side. And find the stretch on your right shoulder and chest. Slowly switch sides. Place your left elbow to the floor, keeping it at 90-degree angle, and roll over to that side to find the stretch. Come back to center. Place hands next to your chest. Press yourself up onto your hands and knees and find a child's pose. Straighten your arms out in front of you, Keep your knees together or wider apart, whatever feels best. Then walk your hands over to the right side. Place your left hand on top of the right. Stay for a few moments here, feeling a deeper stretch on the left side. Change sides, move your hands to the left, right hand on top of the left. Relax your head between the upper arms. Breathe. Bring your body back to center. Come up to your knees for a gentle camel pose variation. Your toes can stay pointed or tucked in for more support. Hands on the hips. Keep your core engaged as you lift your heart up and gently lean back into back bend. With every breath, think about lifting your heart higher. Exhale, gently pulling the ribs and navel in, keeping the core engaged. Release. Tuck your toes in if they were pointed and slowly sit down on top of your heels. This is a pretty intense feet stretch. If sitting up is too much for you, keep your hands down on the mat in front. Focus on the breath. Just a few moments here, stretching the feet. Bring your hands down to the mat, release your feet, move your toes, and bring your legs out in front of you. Bend your left leg and place your left foot on the outer side of your right hip. Hug the left knee in with the right arm. Lift your heart to lengthen the spine and gently twist to the left. Look back over your left shoulder. Keep hugging the knee in, finding the lift and length in the lower spine, and a twist in the upper back. Turn your body back to center. Bring the left foot to your right inner thigh and open that left knee out. Slowly bend over your right leg and hold onto your ankle or foot. One more full cycle of breath. And release. Change sides, straighten your left leg out and bring your right foot to the outer thigh. Hug the knee in with the left arm and gently twist to the right. Again, think about lifting from the lower back and twisting in the upper back, looking back over your right shoulder. Turn back to center. Bring the right foot to the left inner thigh and fold over your straight leg. Send the breath into the areas where you feel stretch or restriction. Slowly release. Find a comfortable cross-legged seat. Release your hands to the knees, close your eyes for a moment. Take a big inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you enjoyed. Wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!